You were all set for a relaxing evening, ready to watch your favorite show on HBO Max. Maybe you'd even made popcorn, dimmed the lights, and settled in for a binge session. But then, nothing happened. The app just wouldn't load, and your screen stayed stubbornly blank. On October 27, 2025, a major outage hit HBO Max, catching thousands of viewers off guard and leaving them confused and frustrated. This wasn't just a minor hiccup or a quick fix. It was a widespread, persistent issue that affected people across the country, disrupting plans and routines. Over 20,000 users reported problems within hours, flooding social media and outage tracking sites. Clearly, this wasn't just a local glitch, it was a national problem. The HBO Max app failed to load content on phones, tablets, and smart TVs alike. For many, repeated attempts to restart the app or reboot devices led only to more disappointment. In a world where streaming giants like Netflix and Disney Plus compete for your attention, reliability is everything. When one service goes down, viewers quickly consider switching to another. The root of the problem seemed to be deep within HBO Max's central system, likely a technical failure in their core infrastructure, rather than a simple bug or user error. Other streaming platforms continued to work smoothly, highlighting that the issue was isolated to HBO Max and not a broader internet or device problem. For hours, users waited impatiently, checking their devices and hoping for a fix. The outage stretched on, leaving people in the dark about when they could get back to their shows. Thankfully, it wasn't a massive cyber attack or security breach. Instead, it was a technical crisis within HBO Max's own infrastructure, serious, but not malicious. As the hours ticked by, users scoured the internet for updates, searching for any clue about when service would return. For many, it was a reminder of just how much we rely on streaming, and how quickly things can go wrong. During the outage, many viewers across the country found themselves suddenly unable to access their favorite shows and movies. The disruption was unexpected, leaving families and individuals staring at blank screens, unsure of what had gone wrong. Error code 1400-533 appeared on screens, often accompanied by a vague message that offered little explanation. For many, this was the first time encountering this specific code, adding to the confusion and frustration. This code meant devices couldn't connect to HBO Max servers. Whether you were using a smart TV, tablet, or laptop, the result was the same: no connection and no streaming. Think of it like a phone call where the server didn't pick up. No matter how many times you tried to reconnect, it was as if the other end simply refused to answer, leaving users in the dark. The issue wasn't with users' internet or app versions. Even after checking Wi-Fi connections, restarting devices, or updating the app, nothing seemed to resolve the error. HBO Max's servers were overwhelmed, causing the problem. The sudden spike in demand or a technical glitch on their end meant the servers simply couldn't handle all the requests coming in at once. No matter your setup, if the server's down, you're out of luck. Switching devices, changing HDMI inputs, or even reinstalling the app made no difference. Warner Brothers Discovery didn't release a statement immediately. As the minutes and hours ticked by, users grew more anxious, waiting for any word from the company about what was happening. Users tried fixing it themselves, but it was a server-side issue. Online forums and social media buzzed with troubleshooting tips, but none could solve the core problem. The error code signaled a larger problem needing HBO Max engineers. Only the technical team at HBO Max could address the server overload and restore service. It was a waiting game until servers were back online. Viewers had no choice but to be patient, hoping for a quick resolution. Users were left guessing without official communication. Many turned to social media for updates, but reliable information was scarce. The outage highlighted the need for clear company communication. In moments like these, timely updates and transparency can make all the difference for frustrated customers. As the outage began, users flocked online to discuss it. Social media, especially X, was flooded with frustrated posts. The hashtag #HBOMaxDown trended as users shared experiences. Reactions ranged from annoyed to humorous memes. The online buzz pressured HBO Max to respond. Users realized they weren't alone, confirming a widespread issue. Lack of communication from HBO Max damaged its reputation. In today's world, silence isn't a good strategy. What can you do during a service outage? Restart everything, force quit the app, unplug devices, and restart. Check for app updates. Outdated versions cause issues. Clear the app's cache to fix minor glitches. Test your internet speed. Ensure it's stable. Turn off VPNs, as they can cause connection errors. If issues persist post-outage, contact HBO Max support. Before troubleshooting, check online for widespread reports. If it's a major outage, waiting is often the best option. The HBO Max outage taught us that even the biggest tech giants can have unexpected bad days, reminding us that no system is truly immune to failure, no matter how advanced or popular it may be. Streaming relies on a web of complex systems and technologies, all working together behind the scenes. When just one part fails, the whole experience can come to a halt, leaving millions affected. The power of community was clear. People turned to each other online and offline to share updates, vent frustrations, and understand the true scale of the problem as it unfolded. Having backup entertainment options, like board games or books, is a smart move. It helps keep the mood light and the fun going, even when technology lets us down. Offline options like Blu-rays and DVDs remain reliable, offering a break from screens and a reminder of simpler times when streaming wasn't the only way to watch. In future outages, check online resources like Down Detector or social media to see if the issue is widespread, and stay informed about what's happening. Don't forget that basic troubleshooting steps, like restarting your device or router, can solve many tech problems quickly, saving you time and frustration. Outages are simply part of digital life. Being prepared, staying calm, and keeping yourself informed can make these moments much easier to handle. While the outage was certainly frustrating, it also became a valuable learning experience in patience, adaptability, and making the best of unexpected downtime.